Hey friends, I'm back with another album share that I created. Welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa, and coming on here today, I wanted to show this cute little file folder album that I created, and I decorated it with the Simple Stories Love and Adore paper pad, 12 by 12, beautiful paper. And again, surprisingly, another file folder album, guys. I don't know. I love the file folder albums. And that's what I've just been working on here quite a bit lately. So this one measures 8 by 11. And I think it has a 3/4 inch spine. And there's the back. So on here, you could put a couple of your pictures. On these tabs, you could put sayings on these tabs, or you could run your paper, up here on your tabs. Just totally up to you. I chose not to. So we open it up, and we have a pocket here with a pull-out. And then this opens. That just closes back. And then this has 2 pull-outs here on each side. So you have a pull-out here and a pull-out here. And then this opens up. And I've done something just a little bit different. I was just messing around. And I created these flaps to where you could put your embellishments on there, put your photos on there, like right here. I left that one, so you could attach a photo to here, and then on the back side, you could attach your photo to the back side or something like that, or put another journaling card on here. So these are just left up to you, however you want to decorate them. And I just chose mine to decorate it like that. You could put a picture here, you could put a picture here, or journal. Just very cute. Just something different. And they just flap individually. Just something different. I hope you guys like that. And then we flip the page. And then this opens up. And I done it again with this one. So you put your photograph here. And you could, stamp here. You could journal there. Put your photo here. Put a photo here. And this time, I made these to where they flip individually. Ain't that just darling? I love it. Just something new that I'm messing around with, guys. I hope you guys like it. And then over here, flip it like this. And then, of course, another pocket at the very back. And this is my Simple Stories Love and Adore album. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on this, please comment in the comments below, and be sure to hit the like button if you would like to see more of my projects. I've got a couple more other file folder projects in the works, so I will be getting them posted here. So we will talk to you guys later, and happy scrapping. Bye-bye.